Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 2, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through the recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and then select power off. Keep holding once you see the Google Assistant, and you should see this. So you want to slide down, and then the device will actually shut off. From which point you can now hold power key and volume down. Once you see the Apple logo, you can let go. And from here, you want to choose language, so I'm going to stick with English. And now tap on wipe data. It tells you please enter verification code, which is given to you. So 391. Now this will appear, I think, only if you don't have some kind of passcode set. If you will have passcode, then you will have to actually confirm it with a passcode before you can actually get to, well, this screen. So it's just a substitution for a passcode. Now you want to tap on format data, tap on OK, and the process will begin. Now it's a fairly quick one, at least at this point. It just takes about a couple of seconds. And when we choose to reboot the device, the process will actually continue in the background and will actually be taking a little bit longer to power on back to the Android. So just give it a moment. So from here, tap on OK and it will reboot. Now I'll be back once we can actually see the Android setup screen. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.